Today we will be showing you how to connect a toilet to the copper water supply using a BrassCraft push connect one-piece supply. With no special tools required, this product permits a fast, reliable, and secure installation. Instructions are also available by peeling apart the label. Make sure the stub-out length extends a minimum of 2.5 inches from the wall or floor to accommodate the stop and the escutcheon. The end of the copper tube should be round and free of burrs. Mark the tube 1 inch from the end of tube and push the stop onto the tube until the mark is reached. Next, attach the outlet of the supply line to the toilet. Hand tighten. Do not use wrench on plastic nut. Turn the water supply back on and check for leaks. That's all there is to it.